To apply watercolor style to your photo on Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the record photo. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the edit photo screen. Tap the tools icon or four dot icon. Swipe the menu bar below the photo to the left and then tap style. Next, swipe the style section to the left to find the watercolor style. If needed, you can adjust the intensity of the style by dragging the adjustment bar below the style to the left or right. If there's a significant object on the photo, such as people or animal, you can choose in which part you like to apply this style. To do so, tap the icon that looks like a square with a people in it. It will let you to apply the style to the whole image, to the background only, or to the subject only. If you are satisfied with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.